I know for any kind of system where you're putting all your information into it, you've got to be asking yourself this question. Who has access to what, and how do I control that? Well, fortunately, the architect of Oper8 provides consulting services for SAP, and he's experienced working with some of the Fortune 500 companies that have the same problems, kind of only exponentially. There are several ways in Oper8 to secure data and make certain only the approved parties get access to it. First is the login roles and security, which is basically just a big checkbox grid that you give clearance to the people that you want so that they could view, create, edit, or delete certain functionality within Oper8. You can create multiple roles from the system, everything from the system administrator to somebody that just answers the phone. And in fact, if you wanted to, you could actually create an individual role for every individual employee. For instance, if the person that handles the phone is not supposed to see any documentation, you don't give them any clearance to do so. Absolutely none. In fact, they'll never even know that there's documents unless the document is contained in a business object they are cleared to see, but they won't be able to open the file. What's great about Oper8 is that everybody works out of the same bucket, but doesn't have access to all the water that's in the bucket. In fact, their access is dependent upon their security role. There is also another way to make something private, which is to mark it private and give specific people or teams of people the right to see it. Everyone else will not be able to view it, even if it is something that technically they have the security role clearance to do so. So when it comes to security within your business's Oper8 account, we've got you covered.